Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to manage projects with Trello. So you just need to head over to Trello.com and then click on this Get Trello for free or just log in if you already have an account. So I have Get Started and then from in there you'll be prompted with this one. So you can continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or also your email as is. So I head over and then choosing here my Google. And then from in there I should be able to sign up to Trello using my Google account, and then you can see this right here. Click on this create your account in order to successfully create your account with Trello. So this will direct you to the Atlassian account on the Trello.com, and then you will be prompted with your boards right here. So in here, they will ask you what brings you here today. So for example, for this one, let's head over and manage projects. So just choose this manage team projects. And then you also try Jira if you want because they also recommend that as well. So you can head over and click on that, and then from in there you should be able to create your first team. From in there, just name your board. So for example, let's put in here graphic project. And then once you have named your project right here, you can head over and then just click on the next page right here. Now just name your list. So the lists are the to do, doing, and done. So for example, let's put in here draft. Then put in here in progress. And then on the next one, put in here for review. And then you can also add more, but we can just do that later. Click on this right here and then put in here the first card name. So for example, let's put in here logo. And then the second card name will be made as meeting. Then click on next right here. And then just put in here and enter an email by your username. You can put in here some name or also some email the people that you want to actually invite to your team. So I'll head over and script that for now, but you just need to head over and add them. Now, as you can see, this is what the Trello Premium looks like. But for now, let's go with the Trello Free, which has this right here. So in here, you can see this is what your Trello looks like. This is the cards that we have. So you can actually just put them on the other cards if you want, and when you head over and then open that card, you can see a lot of things right here. You can watch them, and then when you watch them, you should be able to receive notification. You can add member to this card. You also have the option to add some labels, like for example, you can edit some labels, put in here a title, like for example, let's put in here logo, and then just assign a color for that and save that. And then when you click on this, as you can see, they will be added this label. Then also add some checklists that you want. And then in here, you can also add some things. So you can head over and then add in here your checklist, and you can check them or uncheck them. You can see in here the progress. So you can also add in here a due date. And then you can also set a due date reminder. Now you can also add some attachments, some covers, custom field, power-ups, button, as well as a lot of things from here. When you close that, this is what it will look like right now. So you can head over and then add people to your project and then manage your projects with Trello. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!